So here we have the Sealey PW1712 12-volt rechargeable pressure washer, being used with MucOff cycle cleaner to clean a rather muddy Boardman SF Pro 650B, so it can be got muddy again at a later stage. I like to use the wash it wet, wash it once technique, and this rechargeable pressure washer is just the ticket for this, as it has its own water reservoir which once filled makes it very portable, and I've even taken it to local trial centres to wash my bike before putting it back in the car to bring it home. It's powerful enough for even the thickest mud, but I'm quite happy that it isn't going to ruin the seals or the bearings, which is why high pressure washers are such a big no-no. And one tank of water is plenty to do a really muddy bike, and the battery pack lasts at least 3 tanks. It can also be powered by its own built-in plug that plugs into a car's cigarette lighter socket. So general sweeping around the bike up and down, avoiding the seals and bearings, gets it nice and clean, no problems at all. So many thanks to Sealey and MucOff for their great products, and thanks for watching.